Good evening, everyone. I am Pratham Chaube and with my team, and we are here. I am glad to see all of you here, and we are presenting here our story on um, child labor. What is child labor? So, child labor is employment of children that form of any work that interference of their ability to attend the regular schools and mentally, physically, socially, and morally harmful. And it's very harmful of our youth, country's youth, and small children's futures. It's very harmful.
Didi, that recently we have shifted to your colony, so I and my brother need job. So, do you have any contact that for?
Recently, I'm unaware about this, but where you come, like, I do not know about this. You have shifted new and I have no idea.
We shifted here just a few months ago only, and we really need money. That's why I'm looking for a job. So,
And you are going to do a job, like, you are too small to do these things.
but for our bread and butter, for our bread and butter, we need money na. And I want to make my sister educate. That's why I want to do job.
Okay, so I have one contact, like, I have my friend who is used to run a factory, plastic factory. So if she allowed you, like, it is child labor and I know that she will not, but if she allowed you, then you can do work there. So I will give you the address, and here it is, here it's her address. So you can go and check. If she will give you, then it's great.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Are you Kushi?
Yes, I am Kushi.
Ma'am, I'm looking for a job. So, is there any vacancy for job? I need some work.
Yeah, there are vacancy, but you are too small for doing any kind of job.
It's okay. I will do whatever you will see. What will
But child labor is banned in our nation, you know that.
I know, but I need money. I have to educate my sister because she's really into studying, and we don't have our parents, so I have to do the job.
What does your sister do?
She does nothing. She just studying in his school.
Okay, is she elder than you?
Yes, no, she's young. She is elder than me.
Okay, I will let you know if any kind of jobs is there for you. So I will let you know.
Please, ma'am, do something na. I really need job.
Okay, I will provide you job, but I will give you less wages in more time.
Okay, I will adjust.
Okay, from tomorrow you can join then.
I got job. You know.
Why are you doing job? I am your elder sister. I will manage it.
You know now I don't feel like to do study, and I know that how you focusing on your study. So I think I should do something, and I should earn money that we can save money, and then in future if we'll need, so we will use that money.
But I am your elder sister. You are my younger brother. I have a responsibility.
It's okay. There is nothing like younger and elder. You just focus on your study, and I will manage all the thing.
After some time my study will finish, then I will manage. Why are you doing? You are not supposed to do it. If our parents will see from the heaven, what they will think? That younger brother is earning and elder sister is do nothing.
It's okay, but now it's our compulsion, so we have to do something for our bread and butter. If I'll not do anything, so what we will eat?
I will manage it. Don't you worry about it.
No, Didi, you don't worry. I will do. I got job in our one of the company where I'll do mop and groom.
Even you are not that much adult to do a job. You are child now.
Okay, you don't worry, please. I will do. I will manage.
Hey, you know, guys, the person who is just live nearby us, that younger boy, he's doing a job in the plastic factory.
Yeah, and his sister do nothing. She's just sitting in the courtyard and with the open books, and she do nothing.
And you know, as you know, Pratham, that child labor is banned nowadays.
Yes, I know very well, and I think it's all fault of chairman of their company.
Yeah, I think so. Because why this person, the owner of company, allowed him to do work? And according to the Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, if anyone allowed child laboring, then they can be restricted and their company can be sealed.
Yeah, we can do one thing. We can complain in police and do some kind of FIR on it.
Actually, we should do as a citizen of India and as
I have a number of police stations, so I call police.
yes, just call it right now.
Okay, so I call you. I call police.
Call it.
Hello, police station.
Yes.
Sir, I am Pratham Chaube. Hello, sir. I am Pratham Chaube, and I saw a little boy to work any factory, and he is underage. So please come, because it is banned in India and it is crime. So please come fast.
You have to come and write IFR. FIR.
Okay, so please come fast, sir. And sorry, I will come there, and please, sir, come and do and take any action.
Okay, you have to come and write FIR.
Okay, so let's go Pratham. We will the FIR, and then we will see what the police take action.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. We are here. Who called him? He is Pratham, and he called you for that. Don't block. He called you for the FIR that we have already mentioned. The young boy who is working in the plastic factory, which is hazardous for him too. So please write a FIR on it.
Who allowed him to do work in the factory?
The owner of the factory has already mentioned that if someone is doing work, then there should be some person behind it.
Write the FIR.
So tell me what all the problem of it I will write.
There is no any problem. As already mentioned that the child labor is banned in India, but then also he is doing a child labor and then didn't allow him. They are allowing him to do.
What is the name of the owners?
Owner name is Khushi and the boy name is Raja. Raj, sorry. So let's go.
Who is the owner? I want to talk to them. So why are you doing job here?
Sir, who are you?
I am policeman.
Okay. Sir, I need some money. That's why I'm doing work here.
Who allowed you?
No one. I'm doing it by myself. No one allowed me.
No,
You-
sir. His owner allowed him.
No.
And the owner is so selfish.
It's my company. I'm just doing here just grooming.
So do you don't know that the
Yes.
child do not do the work in factory?
Yes, I know that. But I'm 18 year old, so I can do.
Just look at his face and age. Can't you see he's not 18? He's just of 9 or 10-year-old.
No.
Really?
No, I'm not 9-year-old. I'm 18-year-old. So I think. Ask
Where is your owner?
My owner. She is the owner.
No, he's not my owner. She is not my owner.
What happened, sir? Why are you here today?
Why you have given the job to the child?
Actually, sir, I have not given him a job.
She is telling that you have given a job.
I didn't told that you have given that she have given me job. I said I'm doing it by myself. I don't know.
Yes, I am the owner of this factory.
But she is telling you are not the owner.
I am only the owner, bro.
Sorry, sir. I forget. Yes. now you have to go to
Just
jail.
arrest him and the person.
Sir, actually, he is not having her parents, and her sister wants. She's really into studies, and she want to crack IAS exam. So he wants to work. That's why I have given him work to do.
But you have to come to police station.
But there is no fault. There is no fault of her.
But she has given you job. So her, why you have joined and why you have given the job to her?
I force her. I force her. That's why she gave me the job.
But she will be arrested.
No, sir. Please don't do that. If you want, you
Okay,
can.
sir, you can arrest me, but don't take any action, any
No,
kind of
sir,
action on
This
him.
is the only way that I can earn money. Please, sir.
That it is a crime.
I know that
So why do you did that job?
because I don't have my parents, and I'm the only one that who can earn money.
So
And
you have your elder sister.
I have my elder sister, but she's focusing on his study. That's why.
Sir, they can earn so many monies from the NGO. They can take a help of NGOs. There are many NGOs who are working for the labor, child person, the person who do not have the shelter. So they can take the help. Why they are doing the household chores or any kind of works at others?
Yes, you can take help from NGOs.
But I don't know what kind of NGO I should go.
So you can talk with your elder sister.
Yes, okay, I will talk with her. Didi, you know that a company got sealed. Now
Why?
Now what we will do?
I told you, you are not adult. You are not supposed to do any job.
But we need money. That's why I did that job.
We don't need money. We have this much that we can eat.
But for your education, we need money, na?
I'll manage it. Why are you worried about that?
But I'm the boy that who can earn, and you are girl. You know now that what the mentality of our you know now that what the mentality of our society, that girls should not do any work outside. So that's why I think I should do something.
I don't care about the society. I'm only cared about you.
Okay, now I got that something about NGO that that NGO will help us.
Okay.
Okay, now have you cleared your exam? Then
My result is about to come. After 2 days, I feel that I will select it this time.
okay, I hope that you will select.
Yeah.
Okay. Now that Nisha got his result and he got selected in UPSC exam, and now let's interview. Report.
Today's breaking news is one poor girl has cracked IAS exam. Let's connect to the Ganesh.
Hello guys, I have come to the girl's house, and you can see the situation of she is living in a hut, and let's talk to her.
Hello.
Hello. So how you feeling after cracking the UPSC?
I feel so good. It's been 5 years. I have been preparing for my exam, and now I'm selected. I got selected. I feel so good.
So what will you do of your first salary?
I'll buy a new home and better education for my brother. For my brother.
But in one salary you can't buy a house.
I'll collect some money, then I will buy.
Please give some suggestions to the UPSC aspirants. And
Never feel nervous. Always be confident and believe on yourself. You will select it. One day you will select it.
who is he?
He is my younger brother.
So how you feeling your sister have become an IAS officer?
I'm feeling really good that she got UPSC result and she passed that exam, and now I think that we will don't have any problem in future. Don't face it.
So
This story is conclude that child labor is destroyed. Child labor is destroyed our country's child futures, and if place they studying and learning and playing, in place they work any industries and any were at the home. So it's a very harmful and it's a very bad situations. So if our responsibility, because we are citizens of India, sorry, citizens of Bharat, so it's our responsibility that if we see any child is underage and he is work anything anywhere, so we take action and call the police and take help government. Thank you so much, and that's all.